we will be using different apps and exercises to complement your learning. Don't forget to download them or follow the links. First of all, we will be using Anacore. If you are not familiarized with this app, it is for podcasts and it will help your listening skills. Second of all, we will be leaving in the document section a document that has a calendar where you can mark your progress. Don't forget to follow it and write down the activities you do every day. And last but not least, you will have access to our content. Don't forget to follow our social media. We have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and a website. So this will be all for the starting of for the introduction of your course. And if you're ready, please start now.